Homina ngishade Homina ngishade Ngishade no tshele kola njalo engeba ngelosi Hey mama nomthandazo Hey mama nomthanda Sawkhululu nomthandazo Sawkhululu nomthanda Hey mama nomthandazo Hey mama nomthanda Sawkhululu nomthandazo Sawkhululu nomthanda Bakhaya mdukande Sanibona nonke ngolomuzi sanibona sanibingelela sanibona nonke ngolomuzi siyane bingelela sanibona nonke ngolomuzi sanibona sanibingelela sanibona
Summer in KZN means to me it's long nights, it's big chats, it's big loves, it's get-togethers galore, it's warm, it's love.
There's always something to see when you're walking along the beach of KZN. And when I'm talking about the beach, I'm not only talking about Durban, I'm talking about from Margate, Durban, Angeni, Richards Bay, all the way to Ejozini.
It's the cultures, man. It's diverse. It's the diversity. We absolutely love it. We love it here in KZN.
I mean, numbers don't lie. You see, I've heard a lot about Ejozini Lodge. I've heard a lot about Hluhluwe, especially the Big Five. So experiencing Hluhluwe coming down to Ejozini, it's more like the heart of KZN. So it's been amazing, yeah.
My name is Brian Manyoni. I'm the General Manager of Ejozini Tiger Lodge. It's this beautiful, stunning property. To understand, you know what, most of the people, they wish, because they see it nationally, internationally. Bear in mind, just people come and see the boat cruise over this dam. It's something that you can cruise over the dam, you can cruise, you can sleep on our houseboat.
What better way to have a Christmas mood with the people that are warm to your heart? You know, when someone is warm to you, they make you enjoy whatever that you are doing. So being here during this festive holidays, and it will be so amazing because you get that warmth. So it's family time coming with the warmth that is from people, not only the weather. It will just be a plus.
It's true what they say. KZN does have it all.
KZN has it all, open for travel.
KZN, safe for travel.
KZN has it all.
Believe
it.